Plastic cup of lemonade, 2 straws. You're laughing at nothing. Sun caught in your jaw. Ticket stubs in your pocket, bent blue. You say this day feels scripted. I say starring you. You're my cotton candy afternoon, sweet and gone too soon. Every second sticking to my heart, spinning slow in June. If this feeling melts away, I'll still taste your name. My cotton candy afternoon, let's stay here, never change. Your hair in a crooked clip falls out. You steal half my French fries, pretend you have doubts. I trace circles on